We're to be loud and quiet. At Mummy's workplace, you need to be quiet. Hey, Mr. William, can I call you back? But at a parking lot, you can be loud. Hey, Mummy, where is the car? Story time with Mom, you need to be quiet. No one can listen the story if you be loud. But at a playground, you can be loud. Hey, John, let's take swings. In library, you need to be quiet. But in a living room, you can be loud. Hey, Tina, look at my car. At the movies, you need to be quiet. But after the movie, you can be loud. Daddy, can I have a hot dog, please? At a wedding, you need to be quiet. But at reception, you can be loud. Hello, ma'am. Can you please give us direction? You need to be quiet at play. But on concert, you can be loud. Hoo-hoo! It's a great fun. Time to sleep. Good night, everyone. Like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to press the bell icon.